Assembling a tall cabinet. Before you start assembly, collect all of the required parts for your goFlatpacks product. Remember to look at the labels on the parts to help you determine which ones you need. In this video, we will be assembling a 2-part tall cabinet. Let's start by working with the lower section of the 2-part tall cabinet. Start by affixing the right panel to the top panel. Glue along the top inside edge of the right panel. Lift up and place against the top panel. Square the panels and ensure the edges are flush before inserting the screws. Once complete, repeat the process again on the left panel. Next, glue along the edges of your bottom panel and place into position in the base of the cabinet, ensuring the adjustable feet holes are facing towards the outside of the cabinet. Square off your edges and screw both edges into position. Flip your cabinet over. Now you'll be attaching the back panel. Glue along the back edging of the cabinet carcass, and with the help of another person, lift the back panel into position. Screw along one side of the back panel, then along the adjacent side to square off the panel. The lower part of your 2-part tall cabinet is complete. For the upper section, simply repeat the same process. Lay out the pieces you require, glue the top inside edge of one side panel, square off with the top panel and screw together. Then repeat again for the remaining side panel. Glue and fix the bottom panel into place with screws. Flip your cabinet and glue along the back edge of the cabinet carcass. Place on your back panel and screw together once flush. With the help of another person, lift the upper section onto the lower section, and your 2-part tall cabinet is ready for installation. Congratulations! Your goFlatpacks 2-part tall cabinet carcass is complete.